It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Hey everyone, how you doing? Me, Timothy, showing you it's raining here in Michigan today. Yeah, we're getting some rain here in Michigan today. Got a cool front that's coming through, and that's why we're getting this rain today. And it's supposed to cool off the humidity that we're getting. Well, we got the humidity yesterday, and going to be having it for a little bit today until the cool front comes through. Then the cool front's going to push the humidity away. It's supposed to get up to the balmy 80s today. Last time it was up in the 80s was back in July. They said July 23rd they said on the weather this morning. So, how's everyone out there on this Wednesday? Hope the weather's better for you where you're at today. If it is, hey, enjoy it. Enjoy it for me. Soak it up for me. Soak it up for me. And send it my way. Don't like this rain. Don't like this rain. Can't do much when it's raining out there. Can't go for my walks or anything. But, oh well, we need the rain for things to grow. For the farmers and everyone out there that's growing things in their gardens. So I'm sure they're happy. I'm sure they're happy. I'm sure people ain't happy when it rains, but then the grass grows. Then they gotta get out and cut it. So I bet you they probably wish, oh, I wish it didn't rain, but when it rains, it has to rain, I guess. That's Mother Nature for you. What y'all got planned to do on this Wednesday? Anything much? Hope your plans are better than mine. Gotta wait for my better half to get up. She wants to go get a pack of smokes this morning. Then after that, I guess she wants to go to the pharmacy and get a refill on some medication. Then she wants to get some red hair dye, but it's not working in her hair, so I told her, don't worry about it. And I guess she called her doctor's office yesterday and told them that she's got like these little bumps that's been making her leg itch for some reason, and they said for her to get some cream called O on it, but we don't know what the O means. So I guess you got to go to the pharmacy and find out. Well, everyone just wanted to do it's pouring, it's raining, it's pouring, the old man snoring video. Y'all take it easy out there, and I will talk to you real soon, everyone.